Hi students, welcome to today's class. So I hope that you are all preparing well for your April examinations. So meanwhile, I am going to explain our very important models which were given in January. Okay now. So let us see this problem. The solutions are very easy problem. So see the first problem here. If f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y and f of 1 is equal to 1 by 5 and sigma n runs from 1 to n f of n by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is equal to 1 by 12, then the value of m is. So it is a very easy problem, almost a basic level problem. See this functional equation. F of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y. So immediately the function should be of the form ax. So this function f of x is equal to ax is satisfied by the functional equation f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y. So this type of some functional equations are there. Just to go through those functional equations. Now we have to find out a value. So to find out a value, this hint is given. F of 1 is equal to 1 by 5. So what is f of 1? A into 1, that is equal to 1 by 5. So a value is 1 by 5. So therefore our function is f of x is equal to a value 1 by 5, x by 5. So f of x is equal to how much? X by 5. Okay now. So instead of giving f of x is equal to x by 5, x upon 5, such information is given. So this total expression, the meaning of that given data is nothing but f of x is equal to x by 5. Now coming to our real problem. Sigma n runs from 1 to n. In the numerator f of n is there. It is f of x. F of n means what? N by 5. 5 into, so what is there? N into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is equal to 1 by 12. Any more cancellations? Clearly n will get cancelled. So 1 by 5, put it outside of the sigma. So this is our n runs from 1 to n. 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2, 1 by 12. Okay now. So this is a m. Okay. Now let us partial fractions. We know that partial fractions, this is equal to 1 by m. Sigma n runs from 1 to m. 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 2. Easily you can write down. Easily you can write down. Take LCM n plus 2 minus n minus 1, 1 will remain. You can easily write down. You can easily separate as a partial fractions. Now you apply this sigma notation. Put n is equal to 1. So first put n is equal to 1. So this is a 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus again put n is equal to 2. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 plus last number 1 by m plus 1 minus 1 by m plus 2 is equal to 1 by 12. So clearly this type of expressions always cancellation takes place. See here, minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, like that. So all brackets will be cancelled. So here also, see here in these two brackets, the second term is cancelled with the first term. So that will be cancelled. So now what are the remaining terms we have? So 5 I will take that side. 1 by 2 minus 1 by m plus 2 is equal to 5 by 12. Take 5 to that side. So bring this side 1 by m plus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 5 by 12. LCM 12. LCM is 12. Understand? So LCM is 12. So here 6 will come. 6 plus 5, 11. Okay now. So m plus 2 is equal to 12 by 11. M is equal to 12 by 11 minus 2. M is equal to 12 minus 22. 12 minus 22 is equal to how much? Let us check once the calculation part. So here it is given as 1 by 12. So here 1 by 5 will come outside. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 12 is equal to 5 by 12. So this is equal to, here 1 minus. So here 1 minus. Okay now. So this is equal to, take this side. So 1 minus 2. So this is equal to 6 minus 1, 1 by 12. 1 by 12. So m plus is equal to 12. M is equal to 10. M is equal to 10. Okay now. So m is equal to 10 is the correct answer. Very, very easy problem. So the only thing this you have to remember is this entire data. This entire data is nothing but this. F of x is equal to x by 5. Instead of giving f of x is equal to x by y, he has created one expressions. Okay. So then we will substitute here f of n means n by 5. Take 5 outside and then will get cancelled. Partial fractions. Definitely if whenever minus comes, definitely cancellation takes place. And the remaining terms you will get. Very, very easy problem. So this was given in mains examination. Okay. So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us move to another problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So it is given that f of x is equal to 1 upon 1 minus e power minus x, and g of x is another function f of minus x minus f of x. Then here two options are only available, whether we have to check whether g is a 1 function in 0 comma 1, g is a increasing function in 0 comma 1. So let us check it whether it is a g of x. We will find out the g of x function. Let us check whether it is a 1 or increasing function. So let us see the solution. Okay now. So here it is given that g of x is equal to f of minus x minus f of x. So that is 1 by 1 minus f of minus x means in place of x put minus x, then it will become e power x minus 1 by 1 minus e power minus x, f of x. Okay, so this is as it is 1 by 1 minus e power x minus this is e power x by e power x minus 1. E power minus x means 1 by e power x. So this is equal to 1 by 1 minus e power x plus e power x by 1 minus e power x. E power x minus I wrote 1 minus e power x, therefore minus will come. What is the LCM? This is a 1 plus e power x by 1 minus e power x. This is g of x. Okay now, so this is g of x. Now let us check from 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Let us find out the g dash of x. You find out whether we will tell whether it is a increasing or decreasing. So what is a g dash of x? This is equal to 1 minus e power x whole square. This is 1 minus e power x into e power x minus 1 plus e power x into minus e power x. Understand? U by v. V into derivative minus u into derivative of the denominator by denominator whole square. So this is equal to, so multiply inside. So this is a minus into minus plus. You can take e power x common outside. So here minus into minus plus e power x, take e power x common outside. So here what remains? 1 minus e power x, 1 minus e power x plus 1 plus e power x by 1 minus e power x whole square. So you can cancel e power x minus e power x plus e power x. So this is equal to 2 times e power x by 1 minus e power x whole square. It is always greater than 0 for all x belongs to 0 to 1. So whatever may be the value from 0 to 1, you substitute here. 2 into e power x by 1 minus e power x whole square. It is strictly greater than 0. Therefore, from this what can you say? G is an increasing function in 0 to 1. So it cannot be a 1 function from 0 to 1. Okay now? Right. So it is clearly an increasing function. Very, very easy. So g dash of x is greater than 0. Therefore, it is an increasing function. Okay. So very easy problem this is. So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. See here, dy by differential equation is given. So dy by y is equal to x plus 1 upon x square is equal to dx. Y of 1 is equal to e, then limit extends to 0 plus That means the right hand side limit f of x is equal to how much? So very easy problem. So this is equal to y. Now separate here. So this is a x plus 1 by x square dx. It is a clearly a variable separable form. Variable separable form. Take integral on both sides. So this is equal to ln y, of course modulus. This is equal to ln x. This is a minus 1 by x plus c. 1 by x integral ln of modulus of x minus 1 by x square integral minus 1 by x plus c. So to find out the constant of integration, it is given that y of 1 is equal to e. That means this is a x value and it is y value. Now substitute here 1 comma e. So this is a ln e. Ln e means how much? 1. Ln x. So ln x means what? X value 1, 0. So this is minus 1 plus c. Wherever x is there, substitute 1. Therefore, this implies c is equal to 2. So what is our function? So ln of modulus of y is equal to ln of modulus of x 1 by x plus 2. Constant of integration is 2. Now we want y. Y means here f of x. Y means f of x. So we know that here base a will be there. This is a logarithmic form. Convert into exponential form. So that is equal to modulus of y, or y is equal to e to the power of ln of modulus of x minus 1 by x plus 2. Okay, now so limit extends to 0 plus on both sides. Limit extends to 0 plus f of x is equal to limit extends to 0 plus e to the power of ln of x minus 1 by x plus 2. See here x tends to 0 plus, don't take x is equal to 0, x is approaching positive direction. So this is a plus, this is also plus, but here x is here in the denominator. X is in the denominator. Denominator is going on increasing, but here minus is there. Therefore, e power minus infinity. Total function is tends to minus infinity. Therefore, e power minus infinity means how much? 0. Okay, now so 0 is your final answer. Okay, right. So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So it is from functions. A function f of x is such that f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y minus 1 for all x comma y belongs to R. So this is a first information. So this is the first information is given. What is the first information? F of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y minus 1. And another information is given, f dash of 0 is equal to 2. Then what is the value of modulus of f of minus 2? That means what? Our aim is if you find out f of x, the problem is over. Then we can find out in place of x. Our aim is to find out f of x from the given data, first data, second data. Understand this? Then how to find out this? So only two informations is given. One is f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y minus 1. Another one is f dash of 0 is equal to 2. From those two informations, we have to get f of x. Then how to do? Let's first, what is the definition of f dash of x? First principle, limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is a definition of the first derivative, f dash of x. Now, this implies limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0. What is f of x plus h? See here, f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y minus 1. What is f of x plus h? In place of y, substitute h. Say here, what is there here? F of x plus f of h minus 1, already f of x is there, minus f of x is there by h. Okay, now any more cancellations? Any more cancellations? Clearly cancels. Let what remains here? Limit h tends to 0, f of h minus 1 by h is there. Limit h tends to 0, f of h minus 1 by h. Okay, happy? Right. 1, how to write down 1? So let us take the given data in this first information. Let us put x is equal to y is equal to 1, sorry 0. Put x is equal to y is equal to 0. What happens here? So 0 plus 0, that is f of 0 is equal to f of 0 plus f of 0 minus 1. Okay, so f of 0 get cancel, f of 0 is equal to 1. So therefore, so this is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of h minus f of 0 by h. Limit h tends to 0, f of x minus, in place of 1, can I write down f of 0 by h? Right. This is nothing but the definition of f dash of 0. This is nothing but the definition of f dash of 0. Okay now. So f dash of x is equal to how much we got? F dash of 0. F dash of 0 value is given. F dash of 0 value is equal to given how much? 2. So we make use of this result, f dash of 0 is equal to. Therefore, ultimately what we got? F dash of x is equal to 2. From this can we get the f of x? Yes. Here f dash of x is there. Integrate on both sides. Integrate with respect to x on both sides. So that means integration and the differentiation will cancel place. So this is a f of x is equal to 2x plus c. C is a constant of integration. F of 2 for 2 integration is x to x plus x. Now we want to find out c. C means what? Already given f of 0 is equal to 1. Substitute f of 0 is equal to 2 into 0 plus c. This implies c is equal to how much? 1. Why? Because f of 0 value already 1, 2 into 0, 0, c value 1. So ultimately, what is your function? 2x plus 1. That's all. F of x is equal to 2x plus 1 is your function. Now we have to find out f of minus 2. So if you substitute f of modulus of f of minus 2 means substitute minus 2 here. 2 into minus 2 minus 4, minus 4 plus minus 4 plus 1 minus 3, modulus means 3. So 3 is the final answer. 3 is the final answer. Okay na? So very nice problem. So here the approach will be, so if you take f dash of x, the problem will be solved as usual. Okay na? Right. I hope that you understand this solution. So let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So this is one of the typical problem. So you have to approach, if you approach in a logical way, this problem is a very easy problem, only logical way if you approach. So the first thing, tangents at A 4 comma minus 11 and B 8 comma minus 5 to a circle intersects at C. Find the radius of the circle touching AB and having center at C. Having center at C. First of all, there is a circle. So I will draw a circle. Okay now? It is a circle. Tangents at A and B. So this is a, here let us call it as a, I will draw 1 second directly, I will draw. Right. So this is A and it is B. Tangents at A and B, they are intersect at C. Intersect at C. Now find the radius of the circle touching AB. That means this is AB. The radius of the circle touching AB and having center at C. Touching AB means what? I am drawing. So this is a circle. It is a very big circle. Touching AB and having center C. Taking C as a center, touching AB, draw a circle. So now you have to find out this length. Let us call it as M. Now you have to find out CM. So that means you have to, taking C as a center, if you draw a circle touching AB, then you have to find out the radius. Then CM will be the radius. Now our aim is to find out the length of CM. Then how to do that? Let us take this is a O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Let us join this. You join this here. Join, and it also join. It also join. We know that we have one very important property. So the property is, if it is theta if it is theta, this angle is also theta. Okay, so that property that we are going to use here. Now in this is tangent, now this is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees. We want to find out CM. CM means what here? CM is the hypotenuse. CM means what here? Hypotenuse of this triangle. Here 90 degrees will be there. Sorry. It is not 90 degrees. It is not 90 degrees. So this is a right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle. We want to find out theta. We want to find out CM. CM means what? Then you can take a tan theta. Tan theta is equal to how much? AM by. So if I write down tan theta is equal to, in this right angle triangle, so draw a perpendicular in this right angle triangle, tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. That means AM by CM. So our CM is nothing but AM into cot theta. AM into cot theta. Okay, now AM into cot theta. So we want to find out AM value. As A is given 4 comma minus 11, B is given 8 comma minus 5. What is total AB? AB length is equal to how much? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. 4 minus 8 minus 4, 16 plus y2 minus y1 whole square minus 11 plus 5. Minus 11 plus 5, how much is 6? 6 square, 36. 36 means how much is 16 plus 36? 52. 52 means what? 4 into 13. 4 into 13. So 16 plus 36, 52. Root 52 means how much? 430. Root of 4 root 13 means how much? 2 root 13. 2 root 13. Therefore, AB is equal to, total AB is equal to 2 root 13. Therefore, AM is equal to 1 half of the 2 root 13, that is root 13. Therefore, AM is equal to root 13 into cot theta, right, over. AM value is also over. Now we have to find out the cot theta value. So here we have to find out this cot theta. So instead of finding cot theta, so in this triangle we will find out that cot theta value. Okay, now then how to find out? So in this triangle already we know AM value. AM value is equal to how much? Root of 13. Up to here root 13, that we know. We know the radius also. OA value is also we know. OA value is also we know. OA means what? Radius. What is the radius of this circle? So radius of the circle I am finding here, root of g square plus f square minus c. G square means how much? Minus 3 by 2. That is equal to 9 by 4 g square plus f square. F means how much? 5. 5 square 25. Minus c. Minus of minus plus c. That means plus 15. So this is equal to 9 by 4 plus 25 plus 15. How much? This is 40. So this is equal to 4 4s are 16. 169. 169 by 4, that is equal to 13 by 2. So this radius we got as a 13 by 2. 13 by 2 we got. Radius is equal to root of 169. 160 plus 9, 169. 169 means 13. 13 by 2 we got. So this radius is equal to 13 by 2. So now, instead of finding cot theta, so if you find out cot theta, so this is a right angle. So it is a cot theta means how much here? Cot theta means here opposite side by adjacent side. That means we want to find out opposite side OM. So understand this. This OM we will find out from the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem we will find out OM. That is equal to OM is equal to square root of hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse square means how much? 169 by 4 minus root 13 whole square. Root 13 whole square means 13. Okay, now so this is equal to 4 we will do the cross multiplication and we will find out the OM value. If you find out OM value, then we will get the calculation part. So let us continue the calculation. Welcome back to the remaining calculation. So here we are, OM is given by root of 169 by 4 minus 13. So this is equal to 13 4s are, 13 4s are, this is equal to 52. So 169 minus 52. So this is 7. So this is 117. So this is equal to 117 by 4. 117 means this is, we can write down 13 9s are, 9 3s are 27, right, by 4. So by 4. That means how much? This is a 3 by 2 root 13. 3 by 2 root 13. So this value is given as 3 by 2 root 13. 3 by 2 root 13. Now coming to, so this is a CM. Now CM is equal to root 13 into AM value. We got root 13 cot theta. Now from this you find out cot theta. Cot theta is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side is equal to how much? Root 13 by, adjacent side means root 13 by opposite side. Opposite side is equal to how much? 3 by 2 into root 13. 3 by 2 into root 13. So any more cancellations here? Root 13 will be cancelled. This is a 2 by 3 root 13 CM. This is the radius. CM is equal to 2 by 3 root 13. 2 by 3 root 13, this is the radius of the required circle. Okay, now, so very nice problem. So here we used the property, here angle theta, here also will be angle theta. So with that property we applied here. So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem from the binomial theorem. If the three consecutive coefficients in the expansion of 1 plus 2x whole power n are in the ratio 2:5:8, then the middle term is, as we can find out the middle term if we know the n value. So our aim is, our target is to find the n value. Okay, now then how to find out this n value for this, given that three consecutive coefficient, three consecutive coefficients. What are the three terms? Generally three terms if you want to take, we will take TR minus 1, TR plus 1. So whenever you are asked to take the three terms, consecutive terms, means that let us take TR minus 1, TR plus 1. Now what are the coefficients? Coefficients means what? How much? NCR minus 1. So here if you, what is the TR minus 1th term? Means 1 to the power of something, 2x whole to the power of r minus 1, but we want to take only coefficients, therefore 2 to the power of r minus 1. So this is the coefficient of the TR minus 1th term. What is TRth term? So this is equal to NCR 2 to the power of r. TR plus 1 means NCR plus 1 2 to the power of r plus 1. These three terms ratio is given how much? 2:5:8. 2:5:8 is given. Okay, now. So this is a TR plus 1th term coefficient. This is TRth term is coefficient. R plus 1th term coefficient. Okay, now, right. Now let us take the first term, first two terms. So therefore divide this NCR by NCR minus 1. 2 power r minus 1 is equal to 5 by 8. This term by this second term by first term. 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Understand? NCR by NCR minus 1. Direct formula is there. So this is equal to n minus r plus 1 by r into 2 power r by 2 power r minus 1. 2 power r cancel. Here 2 you will get. This is 5 by 2. So this is equal to n minus r plus 1 by r is equal to 5 by 4. Call it as equation number 1. Okay, now, right. Third term by second, third coefficient by second coefficient. What is third coefficient? NCR plus 1 by NCR. So 2 power r plus 1 by 2 power r is equal to 8 by 5. 8 by 5. Again, NCR plus 1 by NCR is equal to how much? N minus R will come. N minus R by N minus R by R plus 1 is equal to, here 2 power R will cancel, here 2 will remains, 2 power R into 2, no, 2 remains, 2 1s are 2 4s are cancelled, 4 by 5. Call it as second equation. See here, first equation, second equation, there are two equations are there, two variables are there, that is n value, r value, take cross multiplication. So two linear equations will come in n and r. Let us solve that equation. So you will get n is equal to 8. Okay, na? N is equal to 8 will be the, we will get n is equal to 8. So if n is equal to 8, the number of terms will be 9. If it is a 9, which term will be the middle term? 5. So middle term is equal to fifth term. So here n is equal to 8 we got, n is equal to 8 means 8 by 2 plus 1, that is 4 plus 1, fifth term will be the middle term. Then what is the fifth term? So fifth term is given as a 8C4. Sorry. Fifth term is given as 8C4 into 2x to the power of 8 minus 4, 4. 2x to the power of 4. So if he simply asked the coefficient, 8C4, 2 to the power of 4 will be there. He is asking total middle term. This is a very easy problem. It is completely, first thing is selecting the three terms, consecutive terms, that is selecting the consecutive terms is a very, very important. So if you select, the problem will be very easy. Okay. So I hope that you enjoyed today's class, and if there are some more problems, tomorrow's class I will stand before you. Until then, all the best.